welcome you to Columbus. The current time here is 3:53 p.m. As a reminder, we'll be taxiing on live runway. Please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets, surrounding area. Make sure you have all of your belongings. Once you do step off the plane, you're not able to come back on. When opening the overhead compartment, please use caution as things may have shifted during flight. You may now take your cell phones out of airplane mode and use them as we make our way to the gate. We know that you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying here in Columbus or just passing through, this crew would like to sincerely thank you for choosing American Airlines to be a part of your journey today. Thank you and have a great rest of your day, and happy Mother's Day.